With YouTube TV, you can watch most of your favorite sporting events with exclusive features that let you watch the NFL, NBA, MLB, and more like never before. YouTube TV lets you stream games and events with features like multiview, key plays, team and player stats, and more. And gives you access to unlimited DVR storage so you can record, watch, and relive the experience at your convenience. Let's walk through how to use YouTube TV to watch, catch a vibe, and enjoy your favorite sporting events and take advantage of all these amazing features. To watch sports, open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device or smart TV, or go to tv.youtube.com on your desktop. From the home page, click on the sports chip or scroll down to the sports section. Here, you'll see which games and events are being aired. You'll also find the list of teams and leagues. You can also go to the live section to see a full list of networks you can browse. Here you can catch nationally televised or locally broadcast games being aired in your home area. Now let's walk through some of YouTube TV features that help you, yeah that's right you, maximize your sports viewing experience. YouTube TV comes with unlimited DVR storage so you can record as many games as you want. You can record any game that airs on YouTube TV in your home area. Recording doesn't take up space on your devices. There are a few ways you can add specific NFL games or sporting events to your YouTube TV library. First, we recommend that you follow your favorite team or sports leagues. To do this, find your team or sports league in the sports section or type their name in the search bar. Open up the team or league page and then hit the plus button to add to library. Once you do this, any game aired on YouTube TV by the team or league will be added to your library and recorded. At any time, you can also click the plus sign next to a specific game you want to record. Current and upcoming airings of the game will be recorded and added to your library. Game recordings will be organized by team and by sports league. To find the recording of the game, simple. Go to the library tab. Next, find your team's logo to see their recorded games. Then, click on your team's logo and the pop-up will appear with the team's information, schedule, and what network aired their games. Finally, click on the game you'd like to watch and it's go time. Check this out, recordings last 9 months and are only available if you have an active membership. To remove recordings from your library, click the check mark next to the title on the team page. Removing a program from your library means that current and upcoming airings will no longer be recorded. Next, let's talk about multiview, a feature that lets you watch up to 4 games simultaneously on a single screen. You can catch the action from different games at the same time without switching between channels. Multiview streams are organized for you based on what games are currently live. Here's how to get to them. Find the live game you want to watch, open it, and then select multiview. Or you can go to the top picks for you shelf in the home tab during the game time. Here, you'll see several multiview stream options. Click the title to open the stream. You can also choose a live game and open it. While in multiview, use the direction pad on your remote to highlight the game you want to hear. If you want to watch a single game in full screen, use the direction pad on your remote to highlight the game. Then press the select button on your remote to go full screen. Press the back button on your remote to return to multiview. Finally, let's do a walkthrough of views, an interactive filter that lets you see real-time team and player stats, track highlights of the games you're watching, and scores across the league when watching sports on YouTube TV. This is currently available in the YouTube TV app on mobile devices and on smart TVs only, not our desktop experience. The stats view gives real-time stats for the games you're watching linked to the time you're currently viewing. Even if you're watching a game from DVR or behind live TV, you can check stats without getting any spoilers. With key plays, if you're ever late to a game or watching the game on delay, you can catch up by jumping through real-time highlights. You can also rewatch exciting moments and filter to see key plays from your favorite players. The score views show live scores and standings from across the sports leagues that you're currently watching. And finally, the fantasy football view on the YouTube TV mobile app lets you link your existing fantasy football account and lets you view your team and league performance in real time while watching NFL games. Note that NFL.com is the only fantasy sports platform which currently supports this. Remember, when you travel outside of your home area, you will be shown local networks of your current area. This means that you won't be able to watch the usual local broadcast of games. To watch games outside of your home area, you'll be prompted to update your current playback area. Do note, if you're looking to watch games from your local NFL team while traveling, you will have to access your local games as out-of-market games with the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on. To learn more about watching sports on YouTube TV, check out the link in the description. And that's it. Subscribe to YouTube viewers for more tips and tricks.